Hi water signs, what's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So I hope everyone's doing amazing. So for today guys, water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, gagawin po natin ang inyong general love reading from September 1 to 7, 2025. Tingnan lang natin guys kung ano ba mga nangyayari sa buhay pag-ibig nyo from September 1 to September 7, 2025. Please take note as well that this is just a general reading, so maaari po kayo makaresonate, maaring hindi. Only take what resonates, leave what doesn't. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para makakuha rin po kayo ng mga bagong uploads natin in the future. Okay, so yun lang naman guys. Let's go ahead and start na. So you've got here storm, turmoils coming ahead. September 1 to 7. So, maaring you're in a situation, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, that there's a lot of turmoils, quarrels, fight, kind of like you're not in an ideal situation to be inspired with your relationship. Maaring may mga conflict kayo with your person is what I see, okay? Then, silence, no contact. So, maaring you're dealing with a situation wherein you've got no contact with someone, or there will be no contact between September 1 to 7 between you and your person, okay? But you want to, and it will blossom naman, I think. Okay? You got your strength, courage in the river. So, I think napapagod ka na about a certain situation. I think nawawalan ka na ng strength and courage na ma-achieve mo yung dapat mong ma-achieve sa isang situation. Bottom of the deck, goes to disappearing. Maaring meron kang bagay na gustong mawala sa relasyon mo. Maaring hindi man sa relasyon nyo, pero maaring another situation na connected sa relationship nyo na gusto mo nang mawala. Kaso naka-reverse kasi siya, so baka hindi mawala-wala. Okay? Now, let's take a look kung kamusta ba si water signs from September 1 to 7. September 1 to 7, kamusta naman si water signs? September 1 to 7. September 1 to 7. Kamusta si Cancer, Pisces, at Scorpio? Isa na lang na shuffle. Hindi, joke lang. Isa pa. Charot. Again guys, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe, okay? Alright, so thank you so much guys. Let's go ahead and start. Got here the 9 of Cups, okay? 9 of Cups talks about fulfillment. So maybe meron kang gustong ma-achieve sa connection mo, okay? Meron kang, I don't know if you're feeling really fulfilled or contented in your relationship. By the way, you could be dealing with another Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Feeling ko meron kang gustong ma-attain, ma-achieve na status when it comes to your relationship. Okay, and it could be like climbing up an uphill battle. Medyo nakakapagod na, nakaka-drain na, parang imposible kang marating, parang ang hirap. Okay, tatlo din kayong beings dito sa picture. Isang tao, isang cat, isang talangka. So maybe I'm guessing there is another person in the mix that's causing the situation. Ayun yung alon mo, inaabot niyo yung cup, yung tugatog, na nakakapagpagulo, okay, sa situation, okay? Maaaring meron kang gustong ma-achieve, kaso what's causing this thing para hindi mo ma-achieve are possibly either a third person or conflicts, continuous conflicts is what I see between you and another person, between you and your person, okay? With the Death card here, you want transformation, you want change, okay? You want na may maputol na rin kasi look at the cord, the tali, okay? Parang ikakat niya. So, maybe, yun yung gusto mong mangyari. About your person, to stop approaching someone, to stop reaching out to someone. To stop opening their doors for someone, just keep their closed shut and closed and shut. Okay? Maari kasing nahuhumaling ang person mo with someone else. Then the 4 of Wands, okay? Maybe you want your situation with your person na mas maging masaya, mas maging celebratory, ganon. Okay? Kaso parang iba yung nagiging masaya is what I think. That's what I absorb in this card. You could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius as well, or a Scorpio. Let's see, ano ba nangyayari between Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and their person? At here, the Judgment card. What I'm strongly feeling is merong isang bagay ang hindi matapos-tapos. Merong isang bagay ang kahit gusto mo nang mag-end, hindi nag-e-end kasi it's either yung tao mo balik ng balik sa isang situation, or alam mo yun, nag-give in sila sa isang situation. Maybe it's about giving and receiving with another person other than you. So maybe, because the 6 of Pentacles talks about giving and receiving from someone. Binibigyan niya isa, yung isa hindi niya binibigyan. So maaring nandun kasi isang situation that you have to beg for another person's attention, or nagbibigay yung person mo ng attention to someone else while sa'yo parang feeling mo dapat sa'yo yun, or parang you deserve more, or you deserve that, or dapat sa'yo yun. Okay? And dun nagsisimula yung conflict. Okay? You want your person to stop doing something. Okay, ano pa ang meron sa buhay ni Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio from September 1 to 7? You've got here the Page of Wands. Page of Wands ay fire sign energy, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Maaring your person has started something with passion with someone else that they've just met. Okay? This is really a third-party situation. Okay? Na maaring tinatry i-work on ng person mo. Not really manifest, but i-work on. But I'm hearing na hindi rin naman to magtatagal, or this will end as fast as it started. Para mga gano'n. Ano pa? 2 of Swords. It's like hindi mo alam kung paano sila patitigilin. Hindi mo alam kung paano sila magsistop. 7 of Swords, 9 of Pentacles. Kasi parang meron silang ginagawa para, alam mo yun, magkaroon sila ng connection, or magkaroon sila ng stability. And it hurts you. I'm seeing you hurting in here. It hurts you. It hurts your stability. It's affecting you. Okay? Yung cheating, deception na ginagawa ng person mo. Could be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. But you've got here the Wheel of Fortune. Things will start to change. Okay? Things will turn into your favor. Huwag kang mag-alala. Okay? 2 of Wands. So, I don't think, what's the 2 of Wands? 4 of Pentacles and the Magician card. Okay. I think your person will stop eventually na mag-reach out dito sa person din na to. Maybe he's just really playing. Okay? The field out there. And maaring yung person mo is nagdadalawang isip na ituloy yung sa kanila ng third person. Kung meron na third person, what else? Yeah, they're planning to make it right na. Okay, they're planning to make it right yung person mo, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and move forward sa tamang direction. Okay? These are all major arcanas. These are big moves. Okay? Let's see kung ano ba yung gustong sabihin ng person ni Aries. Aries? Ba't Aries? Baka may kadil kang Aries. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Sorry guys. Ano ang gustong sabihin? Oops, not this deck. Ano ang gustong sabihin ng person ni Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio? Ba't ganun? Okay, so anong gustong sabihin? Okay, so let's see kung ano bang gustong actually sabihin ng person ni Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio sa kanila. Hermit card. Nananahimik lang ako dito. Maybe you don't know something about me. I'm not telling you about something. Okay, that I'm dealing with another woman and maybe you're seeing me as someone na gusto ko siyang i-pursue. But, I'm just taking it slow. Okay? I realize that you are my main person. I will come back to you. I'm just really showing to the other person na I'm into them but really I'm not. You will win this, babe. Parang magayon nakikita ko. You will win this, babe. And Ace of Pentacles. I will work on something long term for the both of us. Okay? Five of Swords. Yung period na tingin mo kailangan mo mapag-compete with someone. Okay? You will get the satisfaction from that. Okay? You will be... Let me see. What's this? You will win the situation kung saan you have to compete with someone else. Okay? There will be some kind of apology. I'm sorry. Okay? There will be some kind of apology that will happen between you and your person. Now, let's go ahead and check kung ano ba ang advice para kay Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay, dalawa. You've got your find work-life balance to protect your creativity. Maari kasi naapektuhan ka na sa work mo. Trust your own counsel first. So, trust your own instinct. Kung tingin mo may nangyayari na nag-usap sila ng person mo, maybe they really do kasi mas kilala mo yung person mo. And find work-life balance, okay, to protect creativity. Huwag mo hayaan na maapektuhan ka, okay? Huwag mo hayaan na maapektuhan ka sa ginagawa mong work or sa job mo because of these things happening, okay? So those are what I found out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future. If you haven't subscribed yet, thank you so much for watching. Water signs. Have a good one. Bye!